In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a fading color effect in Lightroom Mobile step by step using a simple linear gradient mask. This is a really useful editing technique if you want your photo to have a smooth vanishing color look with soft transitions instead of harsh changes. It's perfect for portraits, moody edits, backgrounds, and creative color grading. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Lightroom Mobile editing tips. Let's get into it. First, open Lightroom Mobile and load the photo you want to edit. Once your image is open, go down to the masking section and tap on the plus icon to create a new mask. From the mask options, choose Linear Gradient. This tool is ideal because it lets you fade the effect smoothly across part of the image instead of applying it all over the entire photo. Now drag the gradient across the area where you want the color to start fading. You can adjust the direction, length, and placement until it looks natural. The bigger the gradient area, the softer the transition will be. Take your time here, because the mask placement is what creates the base of the fading effect. Once the mask is in place, start with the first adjustment, reduce saturation. Lowering saturation helps remove strong color intensity, which is one of the main things that creates that faded look. Don't drop it too far unless you want a very washed out style. Instead, bring it down slowly until the color starts looking softer and more muted. Next, reduce exposure and blacks. Lowering exposure helps dim the masked area, while reducing black softens the deep shadows. Together, these two adjustments make the effect feel more airy and less heavy. This is especially useful if you want the fade to look like it's disappearing naturally into the background. After that, adjust temperature and hue based on the look you want. If you want a warmer faded effect, move the temperature slightly higher. If you want a cooler, more cinematic fade, move it lower. You can also shift the hue a little to fine-tune the color tone. Small changes here can make a big difference, so always preview your edits before going further. Now comes the part that really smooths the transition. Reduce texture and clarity to make the fading area feel softer and less detailed. This helps remove harsh edges and creates a more dreamy, blended result. At the same time, increase dehaze slightly if you want the colors to spread out more evenly and give that displaced fading effect. Just be careful not to overdo it, because too much dehaze can make the image look unnatural. Once you've made these adjustments, zoom out and check the overall balance. The fading color effect should now look smooth, clean, and natural, with the colors gradually disappearing instead of cutting off sharply. If needed, go back and fine-tune the mask or lower the values a little more until it matches your style. And that's how you create a fading color effect in Lightroom Mobile using a linear gradient mask. It's quick, easy, and gives your edits a professional creative finish. If this tutorial helped you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next editing tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.